Hi everyone, it's Amanda and welcome back to my channel. I have from Graphic 45 their Little Women line to show you today. And I have the 8x8 pad, paper pad and the collection pack to show you. And I love this. I've been seeing it around a lot. And of course, I grew up with Little Women, and I really, when I knew this was coming out, I was like, okay, I have to have it. I love it so much. So this is the cover of the 8x8 paper pad. It says Little Women, and this is the signature page, and it has the four girls, the four March girls, and it says March there, and it has Beth and Amy, and then it says that says chapter 3, but here's Meg. And where's Joe? I'm looking to see where Joe is written, but I don't see it yet. But these are such nice little things. Like here's the picture of Joe, I think, and her husband, I believe. And then that looks like Amy and her beau. It says Little Women or Meg, Joe, Beth, and Amy. A little postage stamp. So this is really cute. There's the 45. For Graphic 45. And Little Women, it looks like a chalkboard on the back. Nice pen here. It's lovely, absolutely lovely. And then here's pages from the book on the back. Part 2nd, Little Women, or Meg, Joe, Beth, and Amy. And there's 3 of these, which is kind of standard for Graphic 45. Beautiful floral print. Gorgeous colors. And then it's got a nice pretty blue pattern on the back. These pages always fold so nicely in the paper pad, and they usually rip out very nicely. Another collage piece. It's Little Women. This is Amy, Beth, Meg, and maybe that's supposed to be Meg. I'm not sure, because I can't really tell the difference between these two here. Oh well, I guess it doesn't matter. There's a yellow floral pattern on the back. It's very pretty. And there's 3 of those. And then we get to some cut aparts. So here's a little journaling card that says Little Women, life, and I don't know if you can see that. Life and love are very precious when both are in full bloom. I want to do something splendid and mean to astonish you all someday. Joe from chapter 3. They all drew to the fire mother in the big chair. Cute. There's the 4 women. Love is great. Love is a great beautifier. That's cute. And that has to be Amy. She's got her art. And then this is all silhouettes on the back of that. Let me just hold it up for you. They're all slightly different, like between the 4 silhouettes. And then they're all repeated. And then I didn't show you, there's some nice borders there. We come to a word collage sheet. And on the back has lovely yellow paper that says Little Women all over it with flowers. That's beautiful. Stripes with the floral. And then, ooh, a nice little floral pattern on the back of that as well. I'm going to make a mini album out of this, I'm pretty sure. Here's a collage piece. And it looks like, let's see. That looks like their father. And they're also in chapter 3, a lot of them. Orchard House, Amy, Little Women. There's Joe, it looks like writing. I was looking to see if I could see Beth playing the piano, but I don't see it. So this is really cute. And this is like a red pattern on the back that goes nicely, coordinates with that. And then we come to another cut apart sheet. This says chapter 17, literary lessons. And then Little Women, like a cover of the book, inside of the book. And there we have Beth playing the piano. And on the back of that is a green on green floral print. And that is the last page. And this again was the 8.5 or 8x8 paper pad. So then let's go through the big paper sheets, and I'll do this really quick since we already went through the 8x8, and this just gives you a bigger view of it, which I like. There's that, and then there's 2 sheets of each of these, I believe. Yeah, and there's the flowers, and the blue pattern is gorgeous. And then we have the Little Women collage with the yellow and floral flower pieces on it. I love this pattern, it's so pretty. Some cut apart cards. Looks like some 4x6s and some 3.5x4s. I want to do something splendid and mean to astonish you all someday. Very pretty. Then we've got the big silhouette view. And you can see that there's just tiny little differences, like in their collar and the hairstyle. The green collage with the yellow back again, it's gorgeous. Stripes, this always reminds me of wallpaper. And then we've got this nice floral pattern on the back of the littler flowers. This is kind of like a vintage view. Oh, look, there's Beth as a little girl. And this has the red floral design on the back. And now we have some 4x6 cards. And 2 sheets of those. And on the back of that is the green. And this is why I did not get the 4x4 and 4x6 and 3x4 pack of cards that went with this, because I knew there was some in here. And there are some differences usually in the pack than what's in the kit. So I probably should have got them, but sometimes I'm on the fence of whether I will use those or not, so I didn't this time. And then the last item is the sticker sheet, which is one of my favorites. And we've got some Sisters and Friends tabs, Little Women, Dear Friend, Hearth and Home, floral circle with some photo corners, little postage stamps and little tags. We've got a quote here, and then here's Meg, Jo, Beth, Amy, and a flower. And then some borders, sticker borders. This is chapter. Some buttons and silhouette squares. These, I like to use these for cards. And in mini albums, they are really nice if you back them on black and then use them as a stopper or decoration. Love it. Little Women, Happy Days, Life and Love are very precious when both are in full bloom. And then this picture of, like, looks like a proposal, and Beth playing the piano again. And this just looks like, I don't know what this is. Oh, I don't know. I'm sure I will use it. And then Seize the Moment. So this is my haul by Graphic 45 of Little Women. And I hope you enjoyed seeing these papers as much as I enjoyed going through them with you. I just feel like it's so beautiful. I loved all of them. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, or, you know, haul videos, crafting videos, and planning videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.